Hey guys, happy weekend. Today is May 3, 2025. So, Sabado ng gabi, bibili tayo nagpa-grab food tayo sa Pat Pat's Kansi. Okay? So, hindi ko actually alam kung ano yung lasa ng masarap na kansi. But for me, ito yung first time kong nakatikim ng kansi dahil sa kakanood ng vlog ni Chef JP. Kaya, nag-crave ako ng kansi. Ayan. This from Pat Pat's Kansi. Okay, as you can see, ito yung sabaw. Alright. Nagbibenta sila dati yung extra sabaw pero I think baka dine-in lang yun. Ayan, konti lang yung sabaw niya pero super sarap niya. And there's this jousting stick for for the bone marrow. And this is the bomb, the bone marrow. Let's hope masaya yung kumuha ng bone marrow natin. Sana marami siyang utak-utak. Let's open it together. There you go. Ayun, umuusok-usok pa yan. Yummy. So yeah, order tayo ng hero. Okay. For me, kung may iba kayong suggestion ng masarap na kansihan along the metro, feel free to comment para maka-order naman tayo doon or maybe puntahan natin. But for me, na walang alam kung anong lasa ng masarap na kansi, Pat Kansi is good enough for me. Again, for suggestions, guys, please feel free. Para makatikim naman tayo ng karoon tayo ng comparison. Busa natin yung sabaw. And, huwag kayo malungkot. May laman naman yan. Konting laman yan. May option sila nung hinimay na ay strongly suggest na dito kayo sa yung kayo yung maghihimay. That. This is 400 pesos pala. It's a bit pricey. Again, treat myself.